Hello, in this tutorial a layer will be duplicated and it will occupy the same 3D space as the original layer. All the polygons on this new layer will have their surface normals flipped so the opposite side of each polygon becomes the visible side. Now, in this example we have quite a few layers, and the layer we're interested in is called solar panels. And down here is the status bar, and as I run the cursor over the screen you will see information changes on the status bar to show us which layers we are on. So now another feature is to position the point on the model where the camera is going to look at. I'll position the cursor here, click the middle mouse button, and the camera is now pointed at this position, and when we revolve the camera it will keep looking at that position. Now, our solar panels is a single-sided model, and by default AccuTrans lights both sides and shows all layers as double-sided. So first we'll turn off light both sides, which is a toggle switch, and if we rotate the model we'll see that one side of this layer is now dark, and if we turn off render both sides the dark side should become invisible, but it doesn't. This is because double-sided rendering is turned on for that particular layer. So I'll go to the layers menu and click on adjust lights and materials to open this dialog box. I'll go back to the layer, and with the cursor over it I will click with the right mouse button, which selects the solar panel layer in the layers combo box, and come over here and we see that double-sided is checked, so I'll uncheck it. The layer goes invisible, our dome over here now looks different, and I will click OK. Now I'll hit camera reset, and we can come out and we can see now as we revolve the model around it keeps changing because of one-sided rendering. Now let's duplicate the layer. So now I'm going to go up, instead of hunting through all these layers to find the solar panels, I'm going to come up until and place my cursor over the solar panel layer, hold down the shift key, the control key, and click the right mouse button, and that layer turns off. Now I'm going to go here. If I scroll down we can see the layer is turned off. Now I'm going to click this button here, which will change the state of the selected layers. So I click it once and all the other layers turn off and the solar panel layer turns on. So now I'm going to come up here to clipboard and click on copy layers to clipboard, which now copies that layer to the clipboard. I'm then going to go on clipboard, paste layers from clipboard, and the layers are now is put in and all the other layers turn back on. And if I come back to here I discover up at the top I have a layer called 1 solar panels, and if I scroll down I have a layer called solar panels. So we'll use this one as our new layer. So one way of turning off the layers is I can go down here and click this button that turns off all the layers, click on this one and it turns this solar panel layer back on. Now I'm going to click with the left mouse button and hold it down for a bit, then release it, and this is kind of tricky to get in. I'll try it again. Okay, there we go. Now we can edit the name in place here, take off that, and I'm going to put back on here as I'm making this the back layer. Press the return key and this layer is now called solar panels back. Now if I come down here to align start, we go on and now we can see that that in align normals the white triangles are the ones that are facing us and the red triangles are the ones that are on the opposite side, we're looking at the invisible side of these objects. And now if I just go down here to the reverse button and click it once, we see that all the triangles have reversed, and so we flip the surface normals. So I'll go to Align Stop, click it, turn it off. Our object is turned off, and you can see it's dark on this side and light on the other side. Now I'll just go here, click all the layers on, and so we're back again with the layers turned on. As solar panels is the first layer in the list, it is rendered first, and we don't see the other layer. So I'll go over here to create, go back up to here, click this one, bring this panel back, come down here, right click, our layer is selected, solar panels back. I'll go to the Browse button, click Browse, go up here, click on this texture image, go OK, and now click that OK, and now if we look at our object, I've got to go down here and click. Our render double-sided was turned back on, so I've got to turn that off. So now we can see that, okay, our dome looks okay on this side. If we rotate around, it's got a wooden texture on the inside. Our panels here have a wooden texture, and we have a wooden texture inside the ring. So we've accomplished what we wanted to, is duplicate a layer and flip the surface normals. Now there is another way of doing this, and to do this, we'll now first delete this layer, the new layer that we created. So I'll go to this button, click on it, and it comes up onto Delete Layers. Our solar panel layer is already selected, it's here, so I'll just click on Delete Layer and click Yes, and that layer is gone. Click OK, and so we've got our new model. Now, the layer that we previously copied to the clipboard is still there. So what I'm going to do is select another work area, and it doesn't matter which one. Go up here, do Clipboard, paste layers from clipboard, and we have the layer, and it's just called solar panels. The name didn't change because it didn't find a layer in there with the same name on. I'll go to name, go up here, click here, type in back, click, press the enter key, and our layer is renamed. Click OK, and now I'll go into Align Start Stop Normals again, click the reverse button, the polygons are flipped, click Align Stop, copy this layer to the clipboard, go back to work area 1, do clipboard, paste layers from clipboard, and we scroll down and we see we've got solar panels and solar panels back. This time I'm going to go to the Create UV panel, and now I'm going to have to go in and click on the inside to I forgot again, turn off render one side, go in. We're now on solar panels back, so I'll click that. Our layer is selected. This time I'm going to erase the layer name, and a default texture was applied to the layer. If I click on this one, zoom around, and when AccuTrans finds UV coordinates but there is no texture name, it will put a default texture on the layer if we go to the viewer menu and we have this use default texture checked. If I uncheck it, that default texture disappears. And while I'm here, I'm also going to do another thing. I'm going to erase all the UV textures on that layer, and I'm going to click Erase UV, all those textures are gone, the UV symbol is gone, and that layer no longer has textures on it. And so now I'm going to click OK. I'm going to bring back this dialog box, right click here to bring back the solar panels back, and this time I'm going to click on the button here. I'm just going to select yellow, say OK, OK, and now this time we have a different flip side to our layer. Instead of being textured, it just has a plain color on. That concludes this tutorial. Goodbye.